Welcome to Shelly's Cuisine. Twisters, today we're going to make something quick, a quick side dish that you could make while you have something else cooking. So we're going to make Asian broccoli. Okay, it's very simple. 1 tablespoon of canola oil, 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil, and 1 tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce. Okay, and I have about 2 garlic cloves, okay, and about ½ teaspoon of red pepper flakes. We don't want to go crazy with the red pepper flakes because we want to add to the dish. We don't want it to take over. So I have my broccoli cut up, and so somehow I want this to get mixed, and we're going to roast it in the oven 450 degrees for 10 minutes. But I got to try to get this oil on most of the broccoli. So I want to get it covered. So I use 2 bunches of broccoli here. So you know what? The best thing for me to do is to just get this broccoli. I won't need to spray the pan because the broccoli is has the oil on it, sesame seed and what have you. I just had to do the easy way, I guess. Just want to make sure that oil is on the broccoli. And you know what I should have done? I should have done this in a Ziploc bag. It would have been so much easier to shake the oil over all the pieces. Well, we live and learn, right? You can't be perfect. Actually, so guys, I just want to add a dash of salt because just a dash. But you know, the sesame seed oil, you know, it's gonna have some salt, so we don't have to go crazy. Okay, as I said, we're gonna put this in the oven for 450. I've already preheated my oven, and 10 minutes. We must put it on the lower rack, okay? Our Asian broccoli is ready. Simple, beautiful, delicious. So it's really quick. Thank you, Twisters, for making Asian broccoli with us today. Please subscribe, hit the notification button. We put videos every week. Tune in next week to find out what we will twist next.